Hello dear friends, this time I would like to show you a crazy Skyline from Pop Race. As always, I try to keep my unbox videos short and only show you the most important things. I'll open it for you immediately. The packaging of Pop Race is similar to that of Mini GT and Tarmac Works. Can someone tell me why that is? Done. I am excited. Definitely looks awesome. Nice paint and cool color. I'll check the underbody. My friends, look at the awesome side pipes. How cool they look here. Now the rear. The GTR lettering is recognizable and processed in great detail. On this model, you can open the hood and the trunk. Let's see what's inside. Who knows what that is? Write it in the comments below. Now let's look at the aggressive front. Well made, but the fenders could have been painted more accurately. You see what I mean? Front lip in carbon look. Let's open the hood and look at the engine. That's what I call a V8. The tires and rims are very detailed and as if there was a disc brake behind the rim. I check whether they run smoothly. Look like real slicks. The roll cage should also be taken into account. Very well done. What do you say about the car? Write it in the comments. Thank you and see you soon.